Hey, let me show you how we can set this SUI sound as notification on POCO M8. So I'm talking about this one. First of all, you have to go to the Google Play Store and get that application, Zedge Wallpapers and Ringtone. When you download it, just open, accept all incoming permissions and notifications. You don't have to buy this Pro version, just click X. Now we have to go for ringtones. Go for a notification sound, and at the top input SUI and go for a notifications sound. So now over here we have to just search for this one. No, this is not what we are looking for, but it should be available somewhere here. Yeah, that's not this one. Notification. That will be somewhere here. Yeah, so this is the sound. The name is Cristiano Ronaldo from Fit6, something like this. Basically, you have to just click on this, tap here, select to set as a notification sound, and now that's finished. As you can see, quite simple. Thanks for watching this video.